The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's actual battery life has finally been revealed to us. See the whole video to see the astonishing findings, not just 1 or 2, but 3 battery test results. A fellow YouTuber called S24 recently conducted a test to determine which phone has the longest battery life. They tested the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, Pixel 8 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the older Samsung S23 Ultra. They used a variety of apps for the test, including Facebook, YouTube, Asphalt 8, a racing game, and a challenging exam called 3D Mark. Although the Galaxy S24 Ultra has the same size battery as the earlier S23 Ultra, both at 5000 mAh, the S24 Ultra performs much better in the battery life test. The results of this test may come as a surprise to you or confirm what you already suspected. The S23 Ultra barely lasted 8 hours and 10 minutes, while it lasted over 11 hours. The S24 Ultra has a more advanced processor and refined software, which accounts for this significant improvement. This shows that Samsung is making a concerted effort to improve the efficiency of its phones. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, which has a smaller battery than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, lasted 10 hours and 20 minutes in the test, which means it didn't last as long as the Galaxy S24 Ultra and lost its position as the best phone for long battery life. However, it's interesting to note that even though the iPhone's battery is about 11% smaller than the S24 Ultra's, it only lasted 5% less time, which shows that the iPhone is really good at using its battery efficiently. The Pixel 8 Pro finished last in this test of high-end phones, with a battery life of 10 hours, which was somewhat less than the iPhone's. Although the battery life of all 3 of these flagship phones, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and Pixel 8 Pro, has significantly improved when compared to the previous versions, users may not really notice a significant change in how long the phone lasts during normal usage. All of the free phones in the S24 test had good battery life, which means that users can choose any of these phones and still expect good battery performance, something that many people care about when choosing a phone. However, the test did not include information about the health of the batteries in each phone or the screen resolution or refresh rate, which are all significant factors that affect how long a battery lasts. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.